As we head into the close, stocks are looking pretty mild despite it being an options expiration week. Maybe we'll have some more volatility into tomorrow, but for now, investors are just waiting on some more information about a possible mega stimulus package that Joe Biden has proposed. Now let's look into the Forex, where the dollar-yen is in focus today, and it is doing pretty well. Long positions are favored above 103.90, targets at 104.20 and 104.40 in extension. The euro dollar is under pressure and the pound's upside prevails. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin today. It is above its upper Bollinger Band. Gold does call for some caution. Short positions below 1,845 favored, targets at 1,828 and 1,816 in extension. Follow Trading Central on Twitter for all of your Forex market updates. For Trading Central Web TV, I'm Olivia Vaz.